You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to remove uninstalled apps from the App Store's update list and purchase history. First, open the App Store and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Tap on Purchased. Here you'll see a list of all apps you've ever downloaded. To hide an app from this list, swipe left on the apps. Name and tap Hide. The app will be removed from your purchased view. However, to truly remove an uninstalled app from your account's purchase history, you need to use a browser on a computer. Go to reportaproblem.apple.com. Sign in with your Apple ID. You will see a list of all your transactions. Find the purchase or download of the app you want to remove. Click Report a Problem next to it. From the drop-down menu, select I want to remove this from my purchase history. Submit the request. Apple will review and, if approved, permanently remove that record. This process cleans up your digital footprint and organizes your account. For more simple iPhone tutorials, subscribe to the channel.